Good evening. It's 6 pm and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. The number of coronavirus cases in India passed 14 lakh after a record spike of 49,931 fresh infections in the last 24 hours. Number of COVID-19 cases in Odisha mounted to 26,892 as 1,503 more persons tested positive for the virus. The assault took place when an ASHA worker, along with some other health workers, went to Panthakata area to shift a COVID-19 patient to hospital. Relatives of the patient opposed the health workers and did not allow them to enter the locality. They also allegedly attacked the health workers. Today is the 5th death anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India. He is popularly known as the Missile Man of our country. He was born on October 15, 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu and died of cardiac arrest on July 27, 2015 while giving a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. India's coronavirus epidemic is now growing at the fastest in the world, increasing 20% over the last week to more than 1.4 million confirmed cases. Infections in the nation of 1.3 billion people have reached 1.43 million, including 32,771 deaths. E-commerce companies will mandatorily have to mention which country the product has been manufactured in on the website. Violation of these rules will attract a penalty under the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt recorded his statement in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case in Mumbai on Monday. Pictures of the filmmaker wearing a face shield and a mask were shared. In a long-awaited development, the first batch of 5 Rafale jets have taken off from France to join the IAF fleet in Ambala on July 29th, giving more teeth to the combat capability of the forces and providing a psychological boost to the armed forces as well. A 14-year-old girl is taking care of her family by peddling a rickshaw during the lockdown in Bihar's Sasaram district. Nandini Kumari has been ferrying passengers on her rented rickshaw for the last month after her father was unable to keep working. Her father now works as a daily wage laborer. Another 47 Chinese apps will be banned in India, the list of which will be released by the government soon. The apps were apparently running as clones to some of the Chinese apps that were earlier banned by the government. The government has prepared a list of over 250 Chinese apps, which include apps linked to Alibaba and some top gaming applications like PUBG. While Comet Neowise is keeping Earthlings busy with its rare appearance, 2 Surat Class 10 girls made their own trailblazing once-a-lifetime discovery recently. 2 14-year-olds discovered an asteroid now christened as HLV 2514 by NASA upon confirmation. It also holds the potential of crossing the Earth someday. The International Cricket Council on Monday launched a new ODI Super League which will determine qualification for the Men's World Cup in 2023, which will kick off with a match between world champion England and Ireland. The competition will feature 13 teams, 12 ICC full members and the Netherlands, who qualified by winning the World Cricket Super League 2015-17. The Super League will see each side play 4 home and 4 away 3-match series. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.